All right, for
There are some
the
cards in the box, and each card is labeled a letter A, B, C, D, or E. One card is randomly drawn from the box. After recording its letter, the card is returned to the box. The following table shows the result, repeating the process many times.
yes, that's right. So what we're going to do down here is we're going to solve and find it out then, okay? So here, if a card is randomly drawn, but first we're going to get out the total frequency. So to get out the total frequency, just like the previous down with that we solved, we're going to get out the total then. Total. So the total frequency we have is 26 plus 24 plus 25 plus 30 plus 15. Now, to add all of them here, so we get about 120. Okay, so that's the total then here. Now, moving on, since we are able to get out to 120 as for the frequency, now we were asked about after here, one of the cards is randomly drawn from the box. After recording its letter, it's returned to the box, and following table shows the result of repeating process many times. Now, to get out here for the first one, let's go try to use out the D. Okay, so why D? Because we need to show out for the probability of drawing out for the D then first. Okay, so let's go start with D then. Now,
Okay.
so if here we have the probability of drawing D here, that's going to give us about 30. So 30 over 120, that's going to give us here, and we can simplify this one in the lowest term. That's going to give us about 30 divided by 30. That is about equals to 1/4. Okay, or
Okay.
yeah, or about then here as 1/4. So the answer as 1/4, oh, 1/4 or 25%. So this is how we're going to find out since we're going to have randomly and called out the card with letter D then first. Okay, so that would be for this one then.